Welcome to today's lesson. In this session, we will be learning how to iterate over an object's properties and execute a callback function for each one. This is useful for tasks like transforming data, locking values, or performing bulk operations on objects. Let's get started. The goal is to process each property of an object using a callback function. By extracting keys and looping through them, we can efficiently handle any object dynamically. This function first extracts the object's keys using the Object.key method, then loops through them using the forEach method. Each iteration calls the provided callback function with the property value, key, and the entire object. The function extracts all property keys, loops through them, and executes a callback for each one. This ensures we process all key value pairs efficiently. In this example, the function loops through properties and applies different callbacks. The first example simply logs values, while the second logs both keys and values. This method is useful in data transformation, logging, and filtering object properties. For example, we can iterate over user objects and modify or remove certain fields dynamically. In summary, this technique allows efficient iteration over object properties, making it valuable for debugging, filtering, and data transformations. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.